Dirty Maria shooters. Okay, all right, Maria, you need to clean yourself up. Okay, anyway, let's get down to this. So there's ice in our glass. Come behind it with some tequila. Fresh squeezed lime juice. Beautiful. All right. Fresh squeezed lime juice. Shake, 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 shake. All right. Now, before we do anything, we mix pepper and that coarse salt together, right? And a little bit of lime juice, and that is what we're gonna rim our glass with, okay? Now we come behind that with a bit of Bloody Mary mix, fill it up halfway, okay? And now we grab our original tequila mix and we lay that bad boy on top. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Nice and cool. So you kind of tasted a margarita followed by like a little bit of Bloody Mary, or not a Bloody Mary, that's supposed to be a Bloody Maria when you use tequila, okay? Delicious, good to go. It's real cool shots. It's a good breakfast shot, if you breakfast with tequila, but we breakfast mimosas, so what's the difference? Don't be prejudiced against tequila. Drink that in the morning too. All right? Stay tipsy, my friends. Find more of our recipes on tipsybartender.com and add your recipes there too. Later!